Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how do leaves change color. In today's video we are going to be talking about how do leaves change color. So let's say one day for some reason you decide to look at the trees. Maybe you're going for a walk or whatever, okay? And you look outside and you see the trees, most of them are green, but then some of them have different leaves, right? So you may think like, okay, fine, there may be different types of plants or whatever, but then you see the same exact tree again, okay, after some time has passed, and it's the leaves, or the color of the leaves starts to change. But have you ever wondered, why do they do that? Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about that. So, in order to understand that, we have to first ask the question, what makes leaves green in the first place? Now, you see, the reason why leaves are green is because of this one thing inside the leaves known as chlorophyll, okay? Now, what chlorophyll does is it helps in photosynthesis, which is the process for a plant, photosynthesis is basically the process in which a plant turns sunlight into food, okay? Now, after they do all of that, that's basically what photosynthesis is, and chlorophyll, it just basically partakes in that, okay? And you see, over time, okay, days get shorter and colder the more we go into the year, right? So photosynthesis is not needed as much, okay? And since photosynthesis is not needed that much, that means chlorophyll is not needed that much, which means there will be less of green since there's less chlorophyll. The other colors are just showing because without the green, these are what the colors of the plant would look like, or the colors of the leaves would actually look like without the chlorophyll and some other stuff. So it could be yellow, orange, or red and purple, okay? Now eventually it all climaxes till winter, okay? Once it reaches winter, the trees basically have to save all the energy, okay? They have to save all the energy to go through winter and survive it, since there will literally be zero sunlight, or there will be sunlight, but not as much, and it'll be cold, okay? So they save their energy, and since they're saving their energy all to themselves, and they're not giving any energy out to, for example, the leaves will eventually lose their connection to the tree and fall off and wither away. And then, after winter, the cycle repeats. That's basically how and why do leaves change color, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!